Welcome to aminacademy.com. In polynomials, let us discuss about multiplication of rational expressions. If p of x over q of x and r of x over g of x are two rational expressions, then we define the multiplication as p of x over q of x into r of x over g of x. It is nothing but multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. P of x into q of x over p of x into r of x over q of x into g of x. Now let us discuss about properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Now, first one, closure property. The multiplication of two rational numbers, the multiplication of two rational numbers is also a rational number. This is the closure property. Next one, commutative property. The multiplication of rational expression is commutative. The multiplication of rational expression is commutative. Commutative. That means p of x over q of x into r of x over g of x is also equal to, first we'll write r of x over g of x into p of x over q of x. Next one, associativity. The multiplication of rational expression is associative. That means suppose we have p of x over q of x into r of x over g of x into u of x over g of x can be written as p of x and q of x is multiplied with the multiplication of the second and third, that is r of x over g of x into u of x over g of x. It is further extended. We can put first r of x over g of x. Suppose we can write this as r of x over g of x first, multiply with the product of first and last, p of x over q of x into u of x over g of x. Also we can write third expression as first and multiply first and second also. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.